परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्
Yajnam Priyakaram Rajanam Vasmanyet. This is 224th verse of Sri Guru Gita. And let's see now what is the translation of this verse. This Guru Mantra has the power to attract all. It destroys all bonds and causes liberation. It makes Indra, the king of heaven, favorable to you, and it brings under your control even the kings. Wow, what a profound verse it is. I think the essence of this whole verse is that the mantra, the Guru mantra, the mantra that directly revealed by the Guru, is more powerful than the physical presence of the Guru, the 6 feet body of the Guru that we are seeing. Many times Swamiji has given reference for this verse. Swamiji has told very clearly from our Shastra Pramana, from our Ramayana. If you notice, Lord Hanuman was able to do many tasks which is seen as impossible by human beings or even at that time. He manifested so much of powers just by chanting the name of his Guru, just by chanting, remembering and chanting Lord Rama's name. So that is why Swamiji has told very clearly that the Guru mantra is more powerful than the Guru himself. And actually, if you notice, in the satsang that Swamiji gave on the Nityananda Purnima, he even quoted this, that the Ram Naam is more powerful than the Ram itself, and that Rama had to build a bridge from India to Sri Lanka to cross the ocean. But Hanuman, just by his pure devotion, just by his pure love for his Guru, he just chanted the Ram Naam and flew over the ocean to Sri Lanka to save Devi Sita. And there is one more instance in Ramayana itself where, due to some circumstances, Lord Rama and Lord Hanuman had to come face to face in a war. And in that war, of course, we think Lord Rama is more powerful, he should have been, but surprisingly, Lord Hanuman wins the war because he chanted Lord Rama's name. He remembered Lord Rama's name, and just by chanting Lord Rama's name, he won the war. So, in this and actually, Vishal, if you see in that whole story that you are telling now, actually Rama was ready to win over Hanuman, even though he was his favorite devotee and such things. Rama was carrying all the weapons against Hanuman. But what Hanuman did was he just sat and he just closed his eyes and just chanted the Ram Naam. And just by that, he won the war. Such a profound incident that happened. So this is what our Swamiji has explained very beautifully on Nityananda Purnima, and the blessings, the gift that Swamiji has given all of us is the Mahavakya, Om Nityananda Paramashivoham, which Swamiji has revealed that is the password for us to manifest powers, is the password for us to connect with Him, to be in oneness with Him. And when we are chanting this Mahavakya, when every pore of our being is vibrating with the Mahavakya, Paramashiva himself, in the form of His Divine Holiness, Bhagavan Sri Nityananda Parameshwaram will physically appear in front of us to assist us, to give us what we want, to give what we yearned for. So, what are we waiting for? Let's start the chanting of Mahavakya, remembering Swamiji in our third eye. Let's close our eyes, sit straight with our head, neck, and spine in a straight line, and let the Mahavakya, Om Nityananda Paramashivoham, reverberate in our beings.
परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ
प्राणायाम। ओम हम ईशानमूर्धाय नमः। ओम हम तत्पुरुषवक्त्राय नमः। ओम हम अघोरहृदयाय नमः। ओम हम वामदेवगुह्याय नमः। ओम हम सत्योजातमूर्तये नमः। ओम हम हृदयाय नमः। ओम हम शिरसे नमः। ओम हम शिखायै नमः। ओम हम कवचाय नमः। ओम हम नेत्रेभ्यो नमः। ओम अस्त्राय नमः। ओम हम ईशानमूर्धाय नमः। ओम हम तत्पुरुषवक्त्राय नमः। ओम हम अघोरहृदयाय नमः। ओम हम वामदेवगुह्याय नमः। ओम हम सत्योजातमूर्तये नमः। ओम हम हृदयाय नमः। ओम हम शिरसे नमः। ओम हम शिखायै नमः। ओम हम कवचाय नमः। ओम हम नेत्रेभ्यो नमः। ओम अस्त्राय नमः। ओम हम ईशानमूर्धाय नमः। ओम हम तत्पुरुषवक्त्राय नमः। ओम हम अघोरहृदयाय नमः। ओम हम वामदेवगुह्याय नमः। ओम हम सत्योजातमूर्तये नमः। ओम हम हृदयाय नमः। ओम हम शिरसे नमः। ओम हम शिखायै नमः। ओम हम कवचाय नमः। प्रीत्यर्थं शुभे शोभने मुहूर्ते अद्य ब्रह्मणः द्वितीयपराद्यमाने व्यवहारिके प्रभवादीनां षष्ट्याः संवत्सराणां मध्ये विलम्बिन करिनाम संवत्सरे उत्तरायणे श्रीलक्ष्मीवेङ्कटेश्वर ऋतौ ज्येष्ठमासे कृष्णपक्षगुणविशेषणविशिष्टायाम् अस्यां शुभदिकौ श्रीकैलासोन्नतद्वादशान्तश्यामला पीठारूढ श्रीमीनाक्षी सुन्दमसारभूत द्राविडवेदप्रवक्त्रे श्रीमत्परमशिवकरुणासमधिगतमुक्तामय चतुरश्रयान् गीयमानवर्ष विश्रानजीमूत परमतकलभकेसरी शैवसिद्धान्तस्थापनाचार्य श्रीराजाधिराज पाण्ड्य महाराज गुरु शपनशाक्य